Children, let us go through one of the unseen passages that has been given in your practice book. The heading of the passage is Shy Sea Monster. The octopus is a deep sea monster that most people love to fear. It has always received bad press. Generations of children have grown up reading books with covers showing a ship in its monstrous embrace. Stories of how it wraps its imprisoning tentacles around hapless sailors are legend. Few care that the stories are untrue. However, for the record, the octopus is an invertebrate of a retiring nature. Octopi are characterized by having 8 arms. The arms bear 2 rows of suckers each. Octopi have powers of regeneration, and a lost arm can regrow in time. They have good eyesight but are almost deaf. The sense of touch is their most important tool for exploring their world. The blindfolded octopus can differentiate between objects of various shapes and sizes just as well as normal octopus. Octopi have well developed brains. They have both long term and short term memories. They can learn to solve problems by a trial and error method and apparently remember the experience to solve similar problems in future. Octopi can claim to be blue blooded quite literally as their blood contains hemocyanin, a bluish copper containing pigment. Perhaps the most amazing feature of an octopus is their mode of dodging the enemy by releasing a cloud of purple black ink. The ink does not hurt anyone, all it does is to provide a temporary smoke screen that hides the octopus from the eyes of its enemies. This shy animal prefers to blend with its surroundings and can hide itself by changing its skin color. Observers claim that the drab brown octopus can turn white or even red. Another species, it seems, can glow a beautiful blue too. When threatened, it can also use jet propulsion to quickly evacuate the area. It does so by shooting out a jet of water that propels it rapidly in the opposite direction. So, this was a brief description about octopus, their nature, their behavior, and their whatever are they are they constituted of, and how do they dodge their enemies, and what all things they do to safeguard themselves. So, based on this passage, you can solve the exercise that has been given.